Hello folks, and welcome to the first Caravan Corner video. In this video we're going to be explaining why we decided to do Caravan Corner, really, aren't we?
It is, yeah.
Yeah. Now, over the last few years we do get a lot of regular viewers to the channel. Thank you. We do appreciate your support. But it's turning into a bit of a community, and that's what we thought about with Caravan Corner.
It is. It's quite a widespread community. We have had people that's watched us from the very beginning, from when we very first started, and now we've got people that are joining and saying thank you for the films that we've done, because it's really helping them out. And then sometimes they'll message you with a query about how we caravan, or advice for how they can caravan.
And so, like I say, it's sort of a community sort of feel to it. So what we wanted to do was put a video out once a month regarding the caravan community that is within the channel. And also part of the community as well are some of the companies. You might not think so, but they are. Because when you think about it, a site owner is part of the caravan community. They provide a site for you to go and enjoy your caravanning. Also, you get companies that actually may supply products to you to make your caravanning a lot more easy and comfortable.
Yeah, some of them we've got actually to know that they say that it's Chris and Nikki and Emma from Johnny. It said some of these people said is becoming the friends, because we chat and we talk about what's happening in the community. Also, as I said, you've got the caravan dealers, and we chat to them quite regular of where everything's up to with the community.
Yeah.
And said and they're part of it.
Yeah, they are part of it. So we've decided, we've done one interview already, which will be going out as the next Caravan Corner. And we've got a few more. We're going to ask a site owner if they would kindly come on camera, and we're going to film an interview with them and get their perspective from the caravanning community and how they operate their site, and answer some questions like why does it keep going up and things like that. So that's one video that we've got in the pipeline. There's other videos that are going to be hopefully coming along, which will be interviews of people that are either in the caravan community as a company, or they're going to be a caravaner. It depends on who we can get to be brave enough to come on camera.
Yes, because that is a big thing sometimes, is people do chat to you, but they go,
oh no, don't put that thing in front of me. I don't want to be on camera. So you get that, but we're going to try our best to get these people on board and get them to answer a few questions.
And sometimes it's just going to be ourselves talking about a topic,
a subject, yeah,
that's come up because something's developed within the community. Or sometimes some of them are just niggles, and then some of them are really good things as well.
Yeah. So if you can think of a subject that you'd like us to cover on Caravan Corner, please let us know in the comments below.
Yeah, somebody did actually had a really good suggestion, didn't
yes.
They did, and they said they'd like to see an interview with yourself and Andrew Jenkinson, didn't they?
They did, yeah. So Andrew, if you are watching this, yes, I'd love to interview you. I'm sure you've got some fascinating things to say about the caravanning community over the years, because without being rude, you are a little bit more senior to me, and you've got a lot more experience within this the caravanning genre. So yes, it would be nice to sit down and have a chat with you. We'll have a brew and a bicky and we'll get on with it. So that's really what Caravan Corner is going to be about. We tried to explain it before, but we didn't feel it was...
Yeah, we wanted to go a bit more in depth.
Yeah.
In depth.
So we have. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you'll join us again, and I hope you'll support the Caravan Corner videos, because we really like to have a good go at them. Well, thank you. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.
Bye.